Hey everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So in this video, I want to do a quick protective style that was inspired by a YouTuber that I love to watch. Her name is okay, I forget, but anyway, here she is. She put this video on her channel, I think many years ago, but I saw a photo of it on Pinterest and I was like, oh my God, I want to, copy that style. And so I tried it. It wasn't exactly like hers, but your girl has a lot of challenges with clean parting, but I tried and I think it was really good. So it's a really quick one. You divide your hair into two. You leave some hair out the front for the two strand twist, and then on the back section, I'm just gonna do four parts, and those four parts we're gonna use some rubber bands, and then when we're done, banding. Oh, it's not banding. You hold each section of hair with a rubber band and connect them together as a twist. So you see me doing that right away. So the first thing is, for each section, just take your rubber band, you part into small sections. I think each row has, or each column, I guess, has like 5 rubber band sections. And then at the end, we will connect them together. I found this hairstyle to be very quick and easy, to be honest. And I think it's something that you can do if you're on a time crunch and you don't have enough time. You can easily do something like that. It's not that complicated. The most difficult thing about it is just maybe making clean parts. But so when you're done with the rubber bands, you just connect them. You can do a twist, a flat twist, which is what I did, or you can also do like flats if you want, just like braid it down 3 sections, right? But I thought that the twist would look better, and that's also what she did in her video. So I wanted to do the same thing and just kind of flat twist it down, and then you go to the next section and repeat. Yeah, and of course I don't show it, but I did moisturize my hair with some twisting butter before I installed the rubber bands. You want to moisturize your hair very well before you install such styles, just because while you have it in, it's difficult to moisturize your hair, right? So you want to make sure that the hair is really well moisturized. And it did last me about a week or so before I took it down and did something else. But altogether, a very quick and easy style that I feel like anyone can do this. It's it's very simple, and shouldn't take you too much time. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, I always post videos about natural hair, especially styles where you don't have to add any extensions. I've been doing a lot of that lately. So if you like this kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.